Good morning, guys. It's time to say bye-bye to Paris because we are leaving for the next destination today and also our last destination for today. Something that I am most looking forward to. Let's go. Halls number 1, 2, and 3. And we are supposed to go to Hall 1. Hall 1 is जहाँ पे सारे international और बड़े trains लगते हैं. And since we're changing countries, we have to go to Hall 1. Here. Pro Max. Oh. Traveling in Europe with bags is a game of its own, and here we are. Ooh, I can see the train, Ishan. Ishan has gone to get some coffee. We have a while before we board the train. हमें बहुत रश नहीं करना था इसलिए हम थोड़ा टाइम से पहले आ गए so that we can sit, chill, have our coffee. And we just wanted to take some time to kind of like even explore the train station because मैंने Gare de Lyon station देखा था online and it's a large station like I showed you guys. 3 halls there, which means it's really large. So you need to figure out आपकी train कौन से hall पे आएगी, and then once you figure that out, you can just come here और जो display है आपकी ट्रेन की टाइमिंग से 20 से 30 मिनट पहले डिस्प्ले पे वो लोग लगा देते हैं कि कहाँ पे आपकी ट्रेन आने वाली है. सो दैट्स हाउ वी केम एंड वी जस्ट सॉ आवर्स. आवर ट्रेन इज एट 6:28 AM और अभी बजे है कुछ 5:45. सो वी हैव अ गुड अमाउंट ऑफ टाइम. सो वी आर ग्रैबिंग कॉफ़ी. ओके, स्टारबक्स में कॉफ़ी नहीं थी, सो आई वांट टू प्रेता मांजे ना. And yeah, that's that. I am super excited for this train journey, to be very honest, क्योंकि यूरोप में एक ट्रेन जर्नी करना तो बनता है, लाइक इंटर कंट्री इंटर सिटी ट्रेन जर्नी, एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई एम सुपर एक्साइटेड अबाउट. I have done a train journey in Europe before, so I did it when I was in Germany. जर्मनी में आई चेंज सिटीज़ और मुझे एग्जैक्टली जर्मनी का स्टेशन अब याद आ रहा है. म्यूनिक स्टेशन पे मैं थी और ऐसा ही था. It was very intimidating क्योंकि मैं completely अकेली थी. At that point I had like 2 large bags to lug and nobody helps you here. Like you have to take your bags, put them yourself in your coach, you have to find your coach, all of that. तभी इतना ऑर्गेनाइज नहीं था for some reason, but अभी तो बहुत ऑर्गेनाइज लग रहा है. Like there's an officer standing outside every respective train and so on and so forth, you know, so it's pretty cool. So that's that. I am very excited for this journey. It's going to be a long one today क्योंकि ये हमारा आज सबसे लॉन्गेस्ट लाइक इंटर कंट्री जर्नी होने वाला है फ्रॉम आर एंटायर ट्रिप सो फार, बिकॉज दिस वन इज़ फ्रॉम पेरिस टू रोम इन इटली एंड दैट्स अ लॉन्ग वन. सो 9 घंटे लगेंगे इस ट्रेन जर्नी को. एंड उसके बाद I think we have to continue in a different bus or a different train while after reaching Italy. So यहाँ से ये जाएगी मिलान तक और फिर मिलान से रोम. there is another vehicle that they're giving us. I think it's a train only or a bus. I don't know. We'll figure that. आधे घंटे का हमारे पास तब गैप होगा and then we have to board our second one. And finally शाम को 5:30 बजे we will be in Roma. Okay, and I can see Ishan has fetched us coffees. There we go. The coffee guy has got us some coffees. And here she is. Okay, तो 3.5 घंटे हुए हैं 6:30 की ट्रेन थी इन द मॉर्निंग और अभी बजे हैं सुबह के 10। व्यूज़ बहुत ही ज़्यादा सुंदर है। मैं तो थोड़े टाइम के लिए सो गई थी, बट बाकी जो व्यूज़ से बीच में स्नोफॉल हो रहा था और पूरा ही फ्रेंच कंट्री साइड है, सो द व्यूज़ आर जस्ट अमेजिंग। अभी एक स्टेशन पे रुके हैं और फिर यहाँ से चलेंगे और आगे हम पहुँचेंगे रोम, मिलान पहुँचेंगे हम लोग 1:30 के अराउंड, 1:30 1:50 के अराउंड। सो स्टिल नो टाइम लेफ्ट, अभी 10 ही बजे हैं। पहुंच गए हैं, सॉरी मिलान टर्मिनल पहुंच गए, वेल ऑलमोस्ट। हम बस हमारे बैग्स वगैरह सब रेडी करके रख रहे होता नहीं। तो मिलान पहुंच गए और मिलान से हमें एक्चुअली जाना है रोम, दैट्स अ फाइनल डेस्टिनेशन। सो यहाँ से हम दूसरी ट्रेन लेंगे, इट्स अ चेंज ऑफ ट्रेन्स एंड वी हैव अबाउट 20-25 minutes to change the train. So we have to go figure out our station, change the train, which shouldn't be much of a task, I believe. So see you on the platform. Okay guys, from one train to the other, let's go find the other train. So because obviously this is the central station of Rome, it's large, it's huge and it's pretty much crowded. There are so many people here. It's a very busy station. Central station जैसे होता है हर एक city का वैसा ही है. It's got all kinds of restaurants, all kinds of stores. एंड जो आपका ट्रेन का जो नंबर होता है कौन से प्लेटफॉर्म पे आएगी, दैट कम्स अप अबाउट 15 to 20-ish minutes before your train timing. So we're just waiting for that to show up, and once it does, we will be heading off that. And that is our train. This is 11 and that is 10. Our seats are, I think, 15-16. When the cab takes you 30 minutes, but a metro will take you just 10 minutes to reach, you take the metro. Okay guys, हम पहुंच गए हैं रोम। ओके तो जिस स्टेशन पे हम उतरे वहीं से मेट्रो कनेक्टिविटी है अंडरग्राउंड मेट्रो की। सो वी आर ट्राइंग टू फिगर दैट आउट कि कहाँ पे है। हमें लगा काफ़ी टाइम वैसे नहीं लगा, बट मतलब हम तब से चल ही रहे हैं। मे भी जिस दिन हमारे पास बैग है तब शायद हमें गाड़ी लेनी चाहिए, बट एनीवे अब हम आ चुके हैं। इट्स जस्ट a 6-minute walk from here. Now this is the last bit and now we will be reaching. And we got out of the metro and बिल्कुल सामने की जो गली है उसमें है मेरा B&B. This, like, I couldn't have got a better location than this. Trust me guys, this is like the best location ever. Okay, so हम एक पॉइंट पे पहुंच गए हैं जो लोकेशन हमें भेजा गया था। एंड यहाँ पे जो हमारी होस्ट है, नॉट एक्चुअली द होस्ट, द रिसेप्शनिस्ट, शी इज़ कमिंग टू पिक अस अप. So we're just waiting for Marzia to come. She is on her way somewhere. And first thoughts, absolutely love this locality. I think अभी तक के जितने भी stays में हम रुके हैं, this is literally at the heart of the city. It's just a 5-minute walk to the Trevi. It's It's a very beautiful place. I'll show it to you guys in a bit while once our hands gets a little free, हम जब bags रख देंगे. But let's wait for Marcia, guys. Hi, Marcia. How are you?
Welcome here in Rome.
Our home in Rome. Look at this. This is an old Roman building जिसके अंदर ये B&B बनाया है, and hence it is the way it is. How beautiful is this? Look at this. So ये room है हमारा. As you can see, it's got a little bathroom there. Let me also take you in there and show you. Here. So this is what the bath area looks like. And let me show you one of the best things. Living in an old Roman street in Rome. How priceless is this? Okay, then we have finally got out of our B&B और हम चल के जा रहे हैं dinner के लिए. It's our first night in Rome and we couldn't have not had a good dinner out here in Rome. So we found an amazing restaurant, one of the best out here in Rome. Okay. I found one of the best stores out here, one of the best restaurants out here, which is a local Italian restaurant. तो वहाँ जा रहे हैं. लेकिन on the way चलते चलते we have two things जो हमारे बिल्कुल रास्ते में ही है, like a 4-5 minute walk. The Spanish Steps and the Trevi Fountain. Both of them very very key and historic in terms of Rome and Rome's history. तो हम पहले वहाँ जाएंगे. Spanish Steps already आ भी गया हमारी गली से निकल के. It's right in front of my eyes. And then the Trevi, and then we go for dinner. We've reserved a table for 8. Valentino. Guys, this feels like walking into Fashion Week because I have literally walked past every single brand that you can think of. There's Valentino in front of me. There was Dior. There was Dolce & Gabbana, Longchamp, everything that you can think of. So, just on a walk, on a casual evening walk in Rome, this is what it seems like. And we are here at one of the squares. And the famous Trevi view here. Okay, so food is finally here. We've ordered for a carbonara pasta and a pizza, and I can't wait to begin. Alright, so that was day 1 in Rome. Technically day 1 ही है, but it was just the evening because हम पहुँचे ही यहाँ पे शाम में थे. I have some work to wind up, तो मैं बस अभी वही करूँगी बैठ के. And tomorrow we have a fresh new day in Rome. कल हम Rome city को explore करेंगे. We have a few things planned out, some very exciting things planned out. I'm extremely tired right now, but I have some work to wrap, so I'm going to do that and then just call it a night. The best ever another metro station or what? Look at this, guys. So the Colosseum is right here in front of me. We got our tickets like you just saw. एंड उससे हम करेंगे एंट्री. सो हमने बुकिंग पहले ही कर ली थी गेट योर गाइड से. हमें बस अब जाके यहाँ पे एंटर करना है. लुक एट इट. थ्री डिफरेंट थिंग्स जो आप देख सकते हो. एक तो मेन ऑब्वियसली जो कोलोसियम मेरे पीछे है, जिसके सब लोग फोटोज लेते ही लेते हैं. बट देयर इज द रोमन फोरम एंड द पैलेंटीन हिल एज वेल. सो द रोमन फोरम, इसको आप समझ लो कि ये बेसिकली रोम की मेन राजधानी थी. दिस वाज लाइक द सेंटर. थिंक ऑफ इट लाइक द डाउन टाउन ऑफ रोम, जहाँ पे आपका गवर्नमेंट रहता था, आपके सारे डिसीजंस लिए जाते थे. जो इसके अंदर दो टेम्पल्स है विच आर ऑल्सो डेडिकेटेड टू वीनस एंड अनदर वन प्लैनेट. एंड दिस इज एग्जैक्टली जहाँ से सारा डिसीजन मेकिंग होना था कि आगे क्या करना है इनको, हाउ डू दे वांट टू रूल गोइंग अहेड एंड सो ऑन एंड सो फोर्थ. This is also a place where the public trials used to happen. Also, there's a place over here called as the Sacred. So I'm going to show it to you while we get there. That is basically कि जब भी ये रोमन्स कोई भी वॉर जीत के आते थे और वो जो विक्ट्री वॉक करते थे इनटू रोम, दैट इज जीरो सेंस है. जीरो. कोई वीडियो बना रहा होगा, बीच में घुस जाओ भाई. So जब ये विक्ट्री वॉर्स करके आते थे, this is exactly the route that they used to walk into. And it's so beautiful, and it's actually giving me goosebumps to think that I am standing right in the center of years of history. मतलब this was before Christ, and this is so old. इतनी पुरानी ये जगह है. I'm actually standing in the center of the Roman Empire, and I don't know how to feel about it. You know, you see it in movies, you read about it in books, you see about it in shows, but to actually be standing here and experiencing history right under your feet, you know, is something else. Alright, so behind me is the Palatine Hill right opposite the Colosseum. Now Palatine Hill is exactly where Rome was actually born. Romulus जो था किंग, उसने 753 BC में रोम को रोम का नाम दिया था. Another fun fact, did you guys know कि Palatine Hill, the word Palatine, इसमें से word palace coin हुआ है. So आज तक जो हम word English word palace use करते हैं, it's come from the word Palatine, which came from this Palatine Hill, which is right behind me. At the crowd at the Trevi. fry at this place in Rome, and I've been hearing about it a lot all over social media, etc. But this place is so famous that you have to actually stand in line to get it. The tables are full, as you can see. I'm standing in the queue. But this is the place and it's right bang opposite the Trevi. So let's finally give it a try and see if this pistachio croissant is worth all the hype. So it remains closed like this. जब आपका नंबर आता है तभी खुलेगा और आपको एक टेबल मिलेगा. Like here. What an amazing day it's been in Rome so far. बस I'm just taking it slow, walking around from place to place क्योंकि ये करने में बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है. It's literally like living my dream for real. जो मैंने सोचा था, जैसे मैंने सोचा था, just walking the streets of Rome. I just quickly came to my B&B because I wanted to change. I wanted to leave the umbrella, etc. क्योंकि अभी बारिश का forecast नहीं दिया है, hopefully. So that's that. But we have something very, very interesting planned for today evening, and I cannot wait to share that with you guys. But वहाँ पहुँचने से पहले एक दो और जगह अभी हमें जाना है that I really, really want to see. There's a basilica that I want to go to. I want to go to the Pantheon. So let's see, basis the time. If you're able to make it, that's fine. Even if you're not able to make it, that's fine too. But we're anyway going to leave now from the B&B and go. Let's go. Stumbled upon this basilica, which is from the 16th century. Let's go inside and see what it's like. Okay, so this church even has a free audio guide, which is so cool. Okay guys, I guess this only happens in Rome. Do you see this entire structure in front of me, a triangular? The entire building is dedicated to Fendi. The whole thing is a Fendi store. Right, so I am standing right in front of the Pantheon. बहुत भीड़ है यहाँ पे, but I completely understand why. The hype is real. The Pantheon looks magnificent. It's large. It's intimidating. It's right here. There are a lot of very iconic sandwich stores here as well. This place is crowded. It's touristy, but it's one of the places I would highly recommend you come to. Okay guys, look at this restaurant, Osteria da Fortunata. That was the one I was going to go for lunch, but look at the line. So जो iconic, authentic Italian restaurants होते हैं, like this one that I had bookmarked, has this kind of lines over here because it's truly, truly that good. हम इस वाले को skip करके we're going to go to another very iconic place which does sandwiches, which is right again यहीं पे इस गली में by the Pantheon. वहाँ पे भी लाइन है, but we will go. ये देखो सबके हाथ में जो सैंडविच दिख रही है ना, वही. It's that iconic and it's right in the lane over there. Finally gotten into the line with the most iconic sandwich in Rome. How long is the line?
It's easily going to take us more than an hour.
More than 40 odd minutes. Minimum 40 minutes to लगेंगे. But it's the most iconic sandwich place in all of Rome. And जब हम खाएंगे तब हमें पता चलेगा is it worth the hype or is it not. जैसे कि सुबह हमने वो पिस्ताचियो क्रोissant खाया था. I understand the hype क्योंकि मैं जब कोई चीज़ मतलब ट्रेंड होते हुए उसको इंस्टाग्राम पे देखती हूँ, मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि maybe it just looks aesthetic इसलिए, but that one met up to the taste. Like the taste was too good. इस वाले का देखते हैं अब खा के कि does it make up for the hype or not. I'm sure होगा यार, क्योंकि इतने लोग जब इतने घंटों खड़े रह रहे हैं तो कुछ तो बात होगी. And finally we got our hands on it. Okay, give me an honest review of the hype. What do you think?
Nice.
It's good? Do you like it? Is it sweet or savory because it said pistachio?
I don't see any pistachio cream, but I can see one thing.
I think the green is, yeah, but it's savory, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Nice.
Like it? Okay, so it's a thumbs up from Ishan, which means it's good. Because he does not bullshit with food, and if he doesn't like it, he will be honest about it.
Little less? You take card? Okay.
Can you wear it?
I give 8. 8 is nice.
Oh, nice. It looks
8.
good. Looks good.
You do 8, please.
And we're finally here for one final thing for today. Not sure if it's the final thing though, but here we are. एक meeting point पे पहुंची हूँ because we have booked a pasta making tour, and I'm so excited for this. This is literally the most Italian thing you can do while in Italy, which is make your own pasta, learn how the Italian authentic sauces are made, how the gelato is made, sip on prosecco and wine while you do the same. So I'm super excited for this. हमें यहाँ पे मीटिंग पॉइंट दिया गया था और यहीं पे जो हमारा टूर वाला है he will come. I have booked this tour through a company called as Devour Tours. They do these amazing food tours across Rome and across different countries as well. So if you want to book this tour through them, you should definitely check them out. I will leave their link in the video's description, so do check them out. Abhi in my shorts you will get to see how immersive and how amazing this tour is going to be. So if you like it, make sure that you guys book it through them. And let's just get geared up for making some pasta. Okay, so I am in the local kitchen out here, and I'm so excited to do this. I'm going to show you guys कि अगर आप रोम में आ रहे हो, how you can make authentic pasta by yourself. The station is ready here. Let me just show you. And that's what our cooking station looks like for the day.
Perché dovevamo mettere la cosa, il telefono per le...
Rectifying my mistakes.
No, you're doing great. Come on, it's the first time. Do you have something in your food that is similar? The kneading?
Color! It's perfect. You'll make an amazing dough. Perfecto! You are ready. Yes.
One side fettuccine, there is the shape of pasta that we are going to make it today. The other one is spaghetti, forget it, another. How is it works is super simple. Make the guitar in front of you like this, in the vertical way. Put the layer on top. Don't forget to dust with a tiny bit of flour and a massage. Massage. And then with the rolling pin, we are going to starting in the center of the layer, rolling up.
Wow.
And back, always rolling. And when you start to see a little bit the streaks, you just slide it.
Oh.
And you have beautiful spaghetti
Fettuccine, wow.
alla chitarra. Look at this, perfect and square. And that's it.
Beautiful.
Ready? Sì, a base. A start. Okay. In Italy we have so many different sauces.
We have gelato, we have some eggs being beaten, we have some tomato sauce there, and we have the base for the pasta. By yours truly. Best gelato in the world. It's like you can see here, like the small one. San Gimignano, the main town square. ये है Sorrento की सुंदर 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 गलियाँ. Lemon that you can think of here. There's perfumes.